eating Saudi green granola. No, Saudi green oat. So if you wrote something that is less descriptive, you can add more descriptive to it.
I did add on-call management, which includes the archived recorded talking script.
That's it. I think, yeah. Thanks a lot for your contributions. This concludes the meeting. Hello, 大家好. Another week, and we are still building the platform to help teach Saudi people and people who speak Arabic how to speak Chinese. It's been raining a lot in Hong Kong, and we have not seen the sun for over a week. And yeah, we are getting desperate right here. Anyways, so previously in the last part, we kind of introduced what the platform is and what we are trying to do. And I wanted to come back here just to give you an update on what we have done so far, some of the challenges we're facing, and how you can help us out achieving the mission that we are trying to achieve, which is to help build bridges between China and between Saudi through language learning. I'm going to start with updates on some of the features we have built on the Karkide platform. So first of all, we have built a feature for the festivals. And so there are festivals in China that people outside China do not know much about. And we thought, you know what, we want to help spread this cultural knowledge of the different festivals. And so we included the Spring Festival, the Qingming Festival, the Dragon Boat Festival as well. And we also included this really cute feature in which you can drag and drop elements of pictures and then complete them like a jigsaw and then get some information about each festival. Currently, all the information we have are in English and in Arabic. Hopefully, we'll get a chance to also add in Putonghua later on. 但是 for now, we don't have that. Another thing is for the travel phases. We had travel phases earlier in the website or in the platform, but we have updated them. So now we added phrases that are more specific for people who travel from the Middle East. Those are things like I don't eat pork, or like, you know, 不要猪肉, or is this halal? 就是清真吗? 还有什么的什么的. So those are up there and are ready to go for people to explore. Another thing we have added was the onboarding experience for the students. And so now we are ready to receive students who are interested in learning Chinese. And so if you are watching me and you're interested in learning Chinese, you can go to our website, app.karkide.site, and sign up as a student. And there's nothing much happening after the sign up. However, we will get some data from you in terms of what are your goals, what do you want to accomplish, and we're going to use this data to try to find out the best way in which we can serve you. So that's up there. Good. You can check it out. Now, the other part of the equation is the teacher onboarding. We are interested and are looking to have teachers from China get connected with students from Saudi and other parts of the Middle East. And currently, we're trying to build up the teacher sign up experience. And so, if you're a teacher, you can come in and you'll be able to sign up, and we can have your information and we can use those to match you with students who are trying to learn Chinese. We are still building this, so it's not ready yet. However, hopefully, it will be ready by next week. And so, if you are a teacher and you are interested in teaching Chinese, even if you're just trying to do that as a part time or outside your working hours, let me know. Just leave me a comment or send me a message, and I'll get in touch with you later to hopefully work more with you. Um, and yeah, that's mostly it for what we have done so far. Some of the things that happened, we had a crash last weekend, so we were trying to adjust a few things in the platform, but then by the end of Friday evening, the whole thing crashed and it was unavailable for the weekend. However, we fixed everything, and so now all is ready to go. Another thing we are experiencing, and we think it might be a bit challenging, is to build some data architecture for our platform. And this is so we can organize the data that we get from students, from teachers, from their interactions, and then use those to hopefully get everybody a better learning experience in the platform itself. So that's pretty much it for this week's update. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and I'll see you next week. Don't forget to follow the page so you keep up with us in the journey. See you next week.